Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce language confusion with HelloTalk, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the HelloTalk app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, sign in or create a new account. After logging in, you'll see the main interface. Tap on the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can find language partners from around the world. To filter partners, tap on the Filter option. Select your desired target language and native language. Then, hit Confirm to see the updated list of language partners. Browse through the profiles and choose a partner that interests you. Send them a message to introduce yourself. You can start chatting through text, voice, or video calls. If you find a message confusing, use the translation feature. Highlight the text you don't understand and select Translate. Don't hesitate to ask your partner to clarify anything. Engage in conversations regularly to reduce language confusion. Make sure to practice both your target and native languages. Join language exchange groups within the app for more opportunities. Utilize the correction feature to help each other improve. Ask your partner to correct your messages directly in the chat. Take notes on common mistakes to avoid them in the future. If you encounter specific words or phrases, create a vocabulary list. Review this list periodically to reinforce your learning. Lastly, be patient with yourself as you navigate through language barriers. With consistent practice, you'll see improvements in no time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.